Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Let's solve questions 7, 8, 9 in exercise 4.3 chapter quadratic equations class 10 NCERT maths. Concept is finding roots of the quadratic equation. These are word problems. We'll use quadratic formula. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So they are telling difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Okay, let the two numbers. We don't know the two numbers first. So let us assume the two numbers first. Let number 1 is equal to x and the other number 2 is equal to y. They are telling difference of squares of two numbers. Square of first number is what? Square of number 1 is x square and square of number 2 is y square. They are telling difference of squares. Difference of squares is what? 180. So, let us assume x is the larger number. So, we always, while doing subtraction, at the top we will write larger number, at the bottom we will write smaller number and then do subtraction. So, x is the larger number. So, x square will be larger. So, we will write x square minus y square. At first you will write larger number, next you will write smaller number. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. So x square minus y square is 180. This is one equation. And then they are telling square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Square of smaller number. What is smaller number? It is y. Its square is what? Y square. So they are telling y square. Square of the smaller number is 8 times. 8 times means 8 into what? Larger number. What is the larger number? We assume larger number as x. So 8 into x. They told y square is equal to 8 into x means 8x. This is the second equation. Now let's substitute second equation in first equation. Substitute equation 2 in 1. From equation 1, what is equation 1? X square minus y square is equal to 180. Okay, that means x square minus y square is what? 8x. This we got from equation 2. X square minus 8x is equal to 180. Now x square minus 8x plus 180 on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 180 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we got. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. We can find the value of x now by finding the roots of the quadratic equation. We can find the roots using quadratic formula. For that, let's comparing with general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, c is equal to minus 180. Now let's find discriminant first. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. So B square means minus 8 whole square minus 4 into A into C is minus 180. Minus 8 square is 64. Minus into minus plus 4 into 180. 8 in 4s are 72. So 720. So 720 plus 64, you get what? 784. Now 784 is greater than 0. So what do you get? Discriminant is greater than 0. That means two roots are real and distinct. Next, now we can find the roots by using quadratic formula. What is that? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now, what is minus b? Minus of b is minus a plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. You got it as 784 by 2a. A is what? 1. See, minus into minus is plus. So, plus 8 plus r minus what is root of 784? If you don't know this directly, what should you do? Do the prime factorization of 784. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12. Next, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. Now again 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Next 7 7s are 49. So 784 is what? 2 power 4 into 7 square. So 2 we have 4 times. So 2 power 4 into 7 square. So root 784 will be what? Root of 2 power 4 into 7 square. Root of 2 power 4 means 2 square. Into root of 7 square means 7 power 1. So 2 square means 4. 4 into 7 is 28. So if you don't know the root directly, do the prime factorization. You will get the value like this. 2 power 4 into 7 square. You can get prime by prime factorization. You can write it into, you can write the number as a product of prime numbers. After that, you can find the square root easily like this. Now, root of 784 you got as 28. So, 8 plus r minus 28 by 2. So, the two roots are what? 8 plus 28 by 2. And the other root is 8 minus 28 by 2. Now, 8 plus 28 is what? 36. 36 by 2. The other one is 8 minus 28 means minus 20 by 2. Now 2 by 36 is 2 ones are 2 8s are 18, comma minus 10. So you got two roots which are 18 and minus 10. And now what was our initial assumption? We assumed the number 1 as x, that is the larger number as x. So larger number is x, so here larger number x is 18. Then what will be the number 2? Number 2 is y. We got two values for x. X is equal to 18 and minus 10. Okay. So if x is equal to 18. See, these were our initial steps. When we started the problem, we did this. What is number 1? Number 1 is x. So, if x is equal to 18, that means the first number 1 will be what? That is x. So, it is 18. What is second number then? Second number we assumed as y. Y is equal to what? We know the second equation is what? Y square is equal to 8x. That means y square is equal to 8 into 18. That is 8 into 18 is 144. Y square is equal to 144. That means y is equal to root 144. So y will be equal to root 144 is plus or minus 12. So if x is equal to 18, if number 1 is 18, then you got y as plus 12 or minus 12. So 18 and plus 12 are one set of numbers and the other set of numbers is 18 comma minus 12. The first number is 18, the second number will be plus 12. Another set is if one number is 18, another number can be minus 12 also. Though the first number is 18, second number can be plus 12 or minus 12. You have another root, that is x is equal to minus 10. So if x is equal to minus 10, what will be number 1? Number 1 is x, that is minus 10. What is number 2? Number 2 is y, that is equal to question mark. Second equation is what? Y square is equal to 8x. That means 8 into minus 10. You get minus 80. Y is equal to what? Root of minus 80. Root of minus 80 you got. Y is equal to plus or minus. Y square is equal to minus 80. Y square is equal to minus 80. Then you get y plus or minus root 80. So we do not get a real number here. So y is not real. When we took x is equal to minus 10, we got y an imaginary number. So the answer is x is equal to 18. One number is 18, other number is 12. If one number is 18, other number will be minus 12. These are the answers. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Let's solve the problem. So, the distance traveled by train is what? 360 kilometers. Distance traveled by train is D, which is 360 kilometers. So speed of the train is S. Train, it will take time T to reach 360 kilometers. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Here speed is s kilometers per hour, distance is 360 kilometers, time is t. That means to travel a distance of 360 kilometers with speed s kilometers per hour, it will take t hours. Okay, this is the first scenario. Here what do you get t? T is equal to what? 360 by s. This is the first equation. Then they are telling if speed has been 5 kilometers more, that means speed is 5 kilometers more, 5 kilometers per hour more. That means the new speed will be what? S plus 5. Initially it is S, now the speed will be S plus 5. It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Now new time. They are telling it will take 1 hour less. Initial time is what? T hours. Now it is taking 1 hour less. That means T minus 1. Then find the speed of the train. Now we know that speed is what? Distance by time. Here speed is what? S plus 5. So S plus 5 is equal to distance is what? Same 360 by time now is T minus 1. Now S plus 5, that implies S plus 5 is equal to 360 by T is what? 360 by S. From equation 1 T is 360 by S minus 1. Now in left side of the equation you have S plus 5. On right side, 360 by s minus 1 is in denominator. If it comes to left side, it will become numerator. 360 by s minus 1 is equal to 360. Now, s plus 5 into, here the LCM is s. So, we get 360 minus s is equal to 360. So, s plus 5 into 360 minus s is equal to 360 s. So, now let's multiply. S into 360 is 360 s. S into minus s. So, minus s square. 5 into 360. 5 into 36 is what? 5 3 is 15. 150 plus 30. So, in 180 you have another 0. 1800 minus 5s is equal to 360s. On left hand side, right hand side you have 360s. So, it will get cancelled. So, you get minus s square plus 1800 minus 5s is equal to 0. If you write in the order of powers of s, you will get minus s square minus 5s plus 1800 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation you get. Now we can solve this equation and find the value of s. They are asking to find the speed of the train. So if you find s, we will find the speed of the train. Minus s square minus 5s plus 1800 is equal to 0. So, we can use quadratic formula to find the value of s. For that, let's compare with the general form of quadratic equation. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Just variable is interchanged. In the place of x we have s, that's it. So the value of a will be minus 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 1800. Now let's find the discriminant first. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. That means B square means minus 5 whole square minus 4a minus 1 into 1800. Minus 5 square is 25. Minus into minus is plus. 18 fours are 7200. So you get 7225. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So you get two distinct real roots. Now, what is the formula for quadratic formula for finding the roots? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, if we substitute, you get x is equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 5 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac, that is 7225. 7225 by 2a, that is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, so 5 plus r minus. What is square root of 7225? You can use the square root method. How to do? From last, keep bar and 2 digits each time. Now you should take same digit here and here, like division itself, but you should take same digit. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. If you take 9 9s are 81, that will be greater than 72. So we will take 8 8s are 64. 72 minus 64, you get 8. Now here you have number is 8. Double of 8. 8 into 2 is 16. You write here. Then the digit here and here should be same. Now subtraction, if you did it, 72 minus 64 is 8. Next, here there is bar for 2 digits. So these 2 digits 25 at a time you should get down. You will get 825. Now here you have 8 into 2 is 16. You have here 8. 8 into 2 is 60. Now you should take same digit here and here. 165 into 5. If you verify, 165 into 5 is 825. So here 825 is satisfied. Remainder is 0. So the answer is what? Root of square root of 7,225 we got as 85. This is a method to find square root. We get 85 by 2 into minus 1 minus 2. See, if you don't know the square root method, what should you do? You should do prime factorization. See, 7,225. Now, last digit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5, 2 will be remaining, so 5 fours are 20. Again 2 will be remaining, 5 fours are 20. Next 5 fives are 25. Next 5 twos are 10, 44. 5 eights are 40. Next 5 nines are 45. Next is what? 17. 16 square is 256. 17 square is 289. 17 ones are 17. Next 1 will be left. 119. 17 17s are. Now 7,225 means what? 5 square into 17 square. Root of 7,225 means root of 5 square into 17 square. So you get root 5 square means what? 5. Root 17 square means 17. 17 5s are 85. In this way also you can find the square root. Now the roots are, you get 5 plus 85 by minus 2. This is one root. 5 minus 85 by minus 2. Okay. Here you have variable is s. So here instead of x we should write s. Here also yes. Here also yes. Okay. So 85 plus 5 is 90. 90 by minus 2 comma minus 85 plus 5. Minus 80 by minus 2. 245 is up. So you get minus 45 comma minus and minus gets cancelled. 240 is up. So for s you got two values. One is minus 45, other is 40. But what is s here? S is speed. Speed cannot be a negative value. So you should take speed value as only 40 kilometers per hour. Since speed is not a negative value, you can't take the value minus 45. You should take the value 40. They are asking to find the value of speed. So speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So, there are two taps. One is of larger diameter and the other one is of small diameter. One tap is of larger diameter, other tap is of smaller diameter. Obviously, the tap of larger diameter will take less time. This has larger diameter, so it will take less time. The tap with smaller diameter will take more time. So, initially, let's assume time, let time taken by smaller diameter tap means let's write it as smaller tap. Time taken by smaller tap to fill the tank. There is one tank and time taken by smaller diameter tap is x hours. Okay. And now x hours. Time taken by larger diameter tap, it is 10 hours less than the smaller one. So, time taken by larger diameter tap to fill the tank is what? X minus 10 hours. X minus 10 hours. So, time taken by smaller tank to fill the tank is what? X hours. So, to fill one full tank, it is taking X hours. So, in 1 hour, how much volume of tank it can fill? Volume of tank smaller tap fills. Smaller tap fills is 1 by X. If one full tank it will fill in X hours, in 1 hour it will fill 1 by X. 1 by X volume of the tank. Similarly, in 1 hour, volume of tank larger tap fills. Larger tap can fill how much tank? In 1 hour, it will take, to fill the tank, it will take X minus 10 hours. So, in 1 hour, 1 by X minus 10 volume of the tank it will fill. To fill the complete tank, larger tap takes X minus 10 hours. In 1 hour, how much tank it will fill? It will fill 1 by X minus 10th. Now, they are telling 2 taps together can fill the tank in 9 by 8 hours. So, we know in 1 hour how much volume the smaller tap fills. And in 1 hour, volume how much larger tap fills. So, together both taps, if both taps will work together, volume of tank filled by both taps together in 1 hour. How much? That is 1 by X, that is smaller tap can fill 1 by X volume of the tank and larger tap 1 by X minus 10. So, together they can fill 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10. They are telling that in 9 3 by 8 hours, the both taps will completely fill the tank. Okay. So, tap 1 plus tap 2. Together in 9 3 by 8 hours, they can fill the complete tank. Tank filled by tap 1 plus tank filled by tap 2. If both work together for how many hours? For 9 3 by 8 hours. If both work for 9 3 by 8 hours, one tank will be full. It is given that if both taps work together for how many hours? 9 3 by 8 hours. 9 3 by 8 hours, tank will be full. You will get full tank. Volume of the tank will be completely filled. We know that in 1 hour, how much volume of tank will be filled by both taps together? 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10. So, in 9 3 by 8 hours, how much tank will be filled? 9 3 by 8 into 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10. They told that if both work for 9 3 by 8 hours, the tank will be full. So, this will be equal to 1. This is a mixed fraction. 9 3 by 8. How do you convert it? 9 into 8 plus 3. 9 into 8 plus 3. So 72 plus 3 is 75. You get 75 by 8. So 75 by 8 into x and x minus 10. If we take LCM, x into x minus 10. You get x minus 10 plus x. This is equal to 1y. Complete tank will be filled. So you get what? 75 by 8 into 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x. This is equal to 1. So if you multiply, what do you get? 75 into 2 is what? 150x minus 750 is equal to this entire thing in denominator. If it goes to right side, it will come into numerator. 8 into x square minus 10x. You will get 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now, if all these two terms, if we come to right side, you will get 0 is equal to 8x square minus 150x. It is plus 150x on left side. If it comes to right side, it will become minus 150x. Here you have minus 80x. Minus 80x minus 750, it is on left side. If it comes to right side, it will become plus 750. So 0 is equal to 8x square minus 150 minus 80 is minus 230x plus 750. This is the quadratic equation we got. If we get everything from right side to left side and left side to right side, we can interchange. You get 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now, this is the quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation and find the roots. We will get the value of x. We can use the quadratic formula. Equation is what? 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. They are asking, the question asked is, they are asking time taken by the smaller tank and larger tank separately to fill the tank completely. If we know the value of x, initially we assumed what? Time taken by smaller tank to fill the tank is x hours. For larger tank it is x minus 10. So if we find the value of x, we can find these two. How much time the smaller tank and smaller tap and larger tap individually takes time to fill the tank. Now how do you do this? Comparing with general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You get what? A is equal to 8, b is equal to minus 230, c is equal to 750. Let's find the discriminant first. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. You get what? B square, that means minus 230 whole square minus 4ac. 8 into 750. Minus into minus is plus. So 23 whole square is what? 529. 230. So 52900 minus, what do you get here? 8 fours are 32. 32 into 75. You get 2400 into, you have another 0. So you have 0. So 52,900 minus 24,000, you get 28,900. This is the discriminant. Discriminant is greater than 0. B square is greater than 0. So you get two distinct real roots. Let's find the roots now. We will use quadratic formula. What is it? X is equal to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting, what do we get? We get x is equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 230. B value is what? Minus 230. Plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. We already got that 28,900 by 2a. A value is what? 8. So minus into minus is plus 230 plus r minus 28900. What is the square root of 289? Square root of 289 is 17. We know that 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289. See, if we don't know, how can you find it? You can use this method. 289, from last digit from one's place, keep bar and 2 digits at a time. Here we have 1 digit, so leave it. 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here bar is on 2 digits, so get 2 digits at a time down. Next, here you have what? 1. 1 into 2 is what? 2. Next, what should you do? Same number you should take. 7 into 27 is what? 7 into 20 is 140 plus 7 7 is 49. So 140 plus 49, 189. So this is a way. So the square root you got is 17. Here 28,900. So 289 into 100. Root 289 is 17. Root 100 is 10. So you get 17 into 10, that is 170. So 28,900 square root is 170 by 16. So we got two roots here. One is 230 plus 170 by 16. The other root is 230 minus 170 by 16. 230 plus 130 is 200 plus 100, 300. So 30 plus 70 is 100. So we get 400 by 16. So 4 hundreds are 4 fours, again 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are. One value got is 25. What is the other value? 230 minus 170. 200 minus 100 is 100. Another 70. If you take off, you get 30. Another you have 30 extra. So 60 by 16. How can you solve it? 2 8s are 16. 2 30s are. Again 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are. So you get 15 by 4. So one value is 25. The other value is 15 by 4. What is x? X is the time taken by smaller tap. So you have two values, 25 and 15 by 4. If we get x, we can find the larger tap, time taken by larger tap. It is x minus 10. The values of x are x is equal to 25 and 15 by 4. Time taken by smaller tap. Initially we assume this as x, and time taken by larger tap to completely fill the tank is x minus 10 hours. One is x hours, another is x minus 10 hours. Now if x is equal to 25, that means time taken by smaller tap to fill complete tank. This is x, that means you get 25 hours. Now time taken by larger tap to fill the complete tank is what? X minus 10 hours. So 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 hours. So these are one set of answers. 25 hours by smaller tap and larger tap takes 15 hours. Now if x is equal to 15 by 4, so time taken by smaller tap to fill complete tank. This is what x hours. So you get 15 by 4 hours. Now similarly, time taken by larger tap is what? To fill the complete tank, it is x minus 10. That means 15 by 4 minus 10. So you get what? 4 is LCM. So you get 15 minus 40. That means 15 minus 40 is what? Minus 25 by 4 hours. Will time be a negative number? No. Time cannot be a negative number. So you cannot take x as 15 by 4 hours, because for larger tap you got minus 25 by 4 hours. Time will not be negative. So we will not consider this value of x 15 by 4. So the answer is what? The smaller tap takes 25 hours to fill the tank and the larger tap takes 15 hours to fill the tank. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.